Hello, students. Mr. Murphy here. So let's take a look. Let's review our essential question for this module in exponents. So we have 2 to the power of something raised to the power of something is equivalent to or equal to 2 to the power of something to the power of something divided by 2 to the power of something raised to the power of something. All of that's going to be equal to 2 to the power of something times 2 to the power of something, and that's going to be equal to 2 to some power divided by 2 to some power. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about multiplying and dividing exponents. Remember, an exponent is repeatedly multiplying something. So the standards we will use and make sense of exponential notation, specifically the first law of exponents. We will see that rule. We will simplify exponential expressions involving division as a consequence of the first law of exponents. And then we will write equivalent numerical and symbolic expressions of the first law of exponents, right? So that's what we're going to learn this lesson. Let's do a quick review of the word problem from last time. Remember, we had 4 million bacteria, and each day it increased by 4 times. So we're multiplying by 4, right? So we're looking at that. I'm going to be working over here. So in the science experiment, we have 4 million bacteria each day after the bacteria quadrupled. So we started the first day with 4 million. That's day 1. If we're going to multiply by 4, so that's 4 times 4. So let me do it down here. 4 times 4. That would be 16 million. So that's 4 squared. The next day, we're multiplying by 4 again. So that would be 16 times 4. That is 64. So that's 4 times 4 times 4, or 4 to the 3rd power. And then the next day, we're multiplying by 4 again. So 64 times 4 is 256. So that's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, 4 to the 4th power. And the last one, again, we're multiplying by 4. And 256 by 4 is 1,024. So that's 4 to the 5th power, right? So here's my base of 4. My exponent is 5. So going up, we're multiplying by 4. What's going to happen if we're going down? So we're going to divide by 4. So 4 million divided by 4 would be 1. And then 1 divided by 4 would be 1 over 4. And then 1/4 divided by 4 would be 1 over 4 times 4, which would be 16. And then divide by 4 again would be 1 over 16 times 4, which is 1 over 64. So in this one, we're doing 1/4 and 1 over 4 times 4 and 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, right? So again, this is our 4 with an exponent. We're going to learn about negative exponents in a little bit, but how did we get the numbers is important on this one, right? How do you know you got each number going down? How do you know you got each number going down? You divided by 4. How did you get each number going up? You multiplied by 4. And so today's lesson, we're going to learn about what happens when we take those exponents we just learned about and multiply them.